Good morning. Well, that's exciting, isn't it? I've just been watching a webinar at home, and the webinar really is specifically designed for those Mastermind Experience members, as they're called, to take a visit to Cape Town in South Africa. And I'm one of those Mastermind members that are going out there on the 19th of October for a week. And we're going to be spending a week together with the leadership team of a company that I've invested in, who are really teaching us and helping us to understand, how do we achieve the levels of success that we're striving for. And the word Mastermind Retreat is the word they're using for the event. And it kind of reminded me really that the word retreat, in my words, means that we are retreating from our business for perhaps a week so that we can start to work on our businesses rather than in our businesses. And I just thought how important that was, that every now and again we should step back from our businesses, we should retreat from our businesses, take time out really to start thinking about, where are we in our business and where are we trying to get our business to, and start using some of that space and that time to consider what actions should we be taking to move our businesses further forward. So I just thought I'd share that with you briefly, that maybe, if you're running a business and perhaps you haven't taken time out recently, perhaps now's the time to take time out to retreat from your business, spend some time working on your business rather than just in your business, because I'm sure you'll be more effective in that way. The good news is you don't have to go to Cape Town to retreat from your business. We can do that anywhere at the end of the day, but I think it's just that lesson about taking time out, stepping back from our businesses so that we get some time to think and review where we are and actually what we're trying to achieve, and then perhaps start trying to think of the plan. What do we need to do to help move ourselves from where we are to get our businesses to where we want them to be? Anyway, I thought I'd share that with you.